Stocks are deep. We have YDKG, VOR, HKIT, OM, and IPHA. YDKG down 18.98%. Penny stock, probably drawing a lot of attention, surely. A lot of shares have crossed the tape so far. We have 64.13 million shares. Historical volatility 745.58%, highly volatile. The company expects to do a reverse split by I don't know exactly know the date, but it's going to be a 100-for-1 reverse split to comply with Nasdaq rules. Yeah, you can see what we have here: 130.4k order trying to go through. Just it tells you how crazy it is. Yeah, people want to get involved. People are expecting to sell at higher prices. They're expecting some bounce to hold. Let's see what we have. Okay, YDKG. Okay, this is the 5 minute chart. Not really going to be useful to you, but what it's saying here that the lower prices will continue to print. But let's have a look at the daily chart, which is much more durable. Here we have lower prices are expected to keep laying out up till the 21st of November. Then after that, we may have a bounce from the 22nd. Okay, so before that time, it's expected that it might be trading within the space here, and then after that, after from or rather by maybe the 1st of December, maybe or maybe not, it may break through the resistance from its 40-day moving average. These are just extrapolations. There's no guarantee that this will be what will happen. I think there's news here, not fresh. Okay, so it's talking about it. It's regaining compliance with Nasdaq. 100 reverse split. Okay, and share consolidation. So the next is VOR. VOR is not. I think VOR is a penny stock as well. It's quite a yeah. Sorry, not a penny stock. It has a low float. Down 51.17%. Let's get the volumes so far in this session. 4.265 million, more than close to 10 times its average volume. Yeah, volatility expected to increase as well. The company is, let's see what we have, VOR. Low float VOR, just like YDKG. Okay, a bounce is expected from the 21st of November. Yeah. Okay, projections are currently saying 9.82. Yeah, 9.82. Previous projections went as high as 15.68, 25.15, 43.20, $50, $54.20. Underlying trend now bearish. I think the company has raised $100 million. Yeah, yesterday. Was it today? Okay. And on Saturday, they disclosed that they've gotten a clearance from the FDA for one of their drugs. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this is still the public offering. Yes, let's see. Yeah, it says primary endpoint achieved in phase 3 clinical study evaluating telitacicept, telitacicept, and I think he got a clearance or something like that to proceed from the FDA. One of those. So it's highly volatile. I think low floats, highly volatile. Yes. Okay, so let's see how it goes. A bounce is expected from the 24th of November. So in the interim, it's still lower prices. Yeah. Yeah, let's find out again. Highly volatile. You can see that implied volatility, historical volatility very high. It's just going to moderate somewhat in the coming days. Okay, let's see what we have for HKIT. HKIT is, I think, contracting the expansion that happened yesterday when it printed this intraday high of 4.18. Is it actual? It doesn't look active. We should be seeing some bars here already, which HKIT. HKIT. Sorry, no wonder. We're looking at the wrong chart. Yeah, this is the 2 week chart, 2 hour. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's contracting this expansion yesterday. That's what's going on. Yeah, so it's expected to cycle all the way down towards its 40-day moving average and get a support from that moving average. Yeah, but it may fail. That moving average may fail as a support, and it may break through by the 15th of December. So nothing to the upside. It's just expected to cycle distributively. Yeah, projections are currently saying $2.74. Did it get any news yesterday? Let's see what we have. It says here shareholder start discovery global limited files to sell 211,000 of high-tech global inc. Let's just quickly glance at its 4 hour chart to see what we have. The 4 hour chart is saying okay, the bounces might kick in, but it's the same distributive contraction that is expected. So this is the space. This is the space it's expected to trade within. So contraction is what we are looking at right now. So it's already going on, and more of it is expected to keep playing out for HKIT. OM. Let's see what we have. OM is down 49.56%. Intraday low 6.05. Let's see what we have in terms of volumes and other details. 1 million shares over close to four times its more than four times its average volume. Volatility very high. Still high in the coming sessions, but maybe moderated. Let's see. OM. Okay, yeah. Here, the oil prices are expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards the middle of December. Yeah, projections are currently saying $8.6. Yeah, momentum is expected to pick up from the 24th of November. Before that, okay, let's see. Okay, the company caught its outlook, but it wasn't doing well before then. It was actually on a downtrend before then. IPHA. IPHA down 11.3%. Okay, so it's expected to continue to contract this expansion towards the 24th of November. Then after that, a bounce or strength will kick in, and it's expected to break through the 40-day moving average and maybe resume the own uptrend. I think, yeah, resume the uptrend or just keep on cycling as it has been doing so. So it's just the stock has a history of cycling. You can see that. You can see that. Maybe yeah, that's what is still expected. And all around, it's the cycling is all around its 200-day moving average. So yeah, okay, we'll see how it goes. Projections are currently saying 1.82, 1.72. Yeah, momentum is expected to resume to build up from now, from tomorrow. As a matter of fact, from tomorrow, okay, maybe from Thursday the 13th, and expected to remain strong up till the 21st of November. But in the midst of all of that, the algos are saying that it's lower prices that may play out. Okay, so in other words, this bounce that is we have here, it's also with some strength, okay, with some momentum as well. But it's a bit there's a divergence here. Lower prices are expected to play out, but momentum is expected to pick up. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. IPHA, I doubt if it's no. Okay, yeah, quite volatile. Historical volatility 120%, but no, so far nothing for the coming days. Yeah, so have a look at these stocks and just be really careful. And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.